this is Tomlin from TomlinHarmonicaLessons.com, and this is the first video of 2019. So, Happy New Year. It's been quite a while since I posted the last video, and I'm really excited about this year. So, basically, I thought I would do a little bit of a vlog, just with some chat about what I'm doing this year, what I'm planning for the channel, and yeah, just see how everything's going. So if you're interested in me doing more of these kind of vlogs, just write a little note in the comment section. So I guess first things first, I wanted to slightly change how I do the videos on the YouTube channel. So for ages and ages, I did a free lesson every single Wednesday. And then towards the end of last year, I've started doing a lesson every fortnight. I was kind of struggling to keep up with running the online harmonica school as well as putting the videos out every week. So went down to a fortnight. I want to go back to doing a video every week, but I decided to ask you guys out on Facebook, actually, what kind of videos you wanted. And overwhelmingly, people wanted a lot more backing tracks and lick videos. So you're going to see that from the channel a lot more. I'm still going to be doing the harmonica lessons, but I'll also be doing kind of backing track videos for you to play along with, as well as shorter lessons on specific licks. So if that's the kind of thing that you're into, just, write a little comment below and let me know. But I'm excited to get back to posting every single week. So yeah, that's kind of my plans for 2019 for the channel. I've also been working on some other stuff. So I thought I'd tell you a little bit about that. So I'm starting a new project soon, which I'm super excited about, which will be a new YouTube channel. And you can see right now, I'm not at home. I'm actually in my friend Dave Lloyd's studio. It's called Lost Oscillation. And we're going to be putting the studio to good use. We're going to be recording live band performances of my band De La Croix. So that'll be starting from March. I'm really excited about that. So there'll be a lot more performance in 2019. So not necessarily just harmonica lessons, but there will still be a lot of those. Don't worry. But that's something that I'm really passionate about starting to do a lot more of. And another thing that I've been working on, as well as the getting ready for that, is kind of improving my amplified sound. So you'll see that here I have my DV Mark amplifier with a DV Mark cabinet. Now, these aren't designed for harmonica, but they sound absolutely brilliant for harmonica. So I'm going to show you a little bit of what that's sounding like, and you can tell me what you think. So yeah, I'm super excited about that sound. It's not something that I've spent a lot of time working on in the past, but I'm now very focused on getting a good electric tone. And I thought that might be something that would be a good subject for a future vlog. If you're interested in that, if you're interested in learning about how to get a good amplified tone on the harmonica, just write it in the comment section below. This is kind of our plan for 2019, so we've got to do it together. Another thing that I've been working on that I know a lot of you guys are really excited about is kind of the effects setup. So I'm not just using the amplifier, I'm also using an effects pedal board, which I'll flash up on screen just now. So that's what gives me a lot of the sound. It's not just the amplifier. I spent a long time building it. I'm kind of pleased with where it is. It's not quite finished, but it's almost there. And I thought it might be fun to do some lessons on how to set up effects for your harmonica. So let me know what you think about that. Now, the thing that I am probably most excited about for myself for this year is I've started taking lessons. So I started taking harmonica lessons at the moment I'm taking lessons from Rolly Platt, who, if you haven't heard Rolly Platt, he's an absolute beast of a harmonica player from Canada. He's a session guy, and he's been on 1,800 plus recordings. He plays in every single style and can pretty much do anything. He's super experienced, amazing teacher. But he's really kind of throwing me lots of curveballs. So it's pretty safe to say that I live in a blues world. That's what I do most of. And I kind of want to get a little bit outside of that and not be limited in my playing. So we've been working on some kind of bluegrass stuff, some rhythmic playing, and that's kind of different styles, some funk music as well. So that's probably going to come through a little bit in my lessons. I'm probably going to chat a little bit about different styles of playing. The focus is always going to be blues, at least for the time being, because that's what I love. That's what I know a lot of you love. That's why we picked up the instrument in the first place normally. But I think it's nice to have a few other styles in there as well. So yeah, getting lessons from Rolly. You might think that that's a slightly weird thing to do, but I have to say that it's probably the best investment I've ever made in terms of my musical career. It's not the equipment, it's not the harmonicas. It's getting lessons from someone. So that might be something for you to think about. Find someone who can critique your playing, who can tell you what you need to work on, and who can really push you. Because it's quite easy to feel quite safe at home watching videos on YouTube, and when you've had enough, putting the harmonica down and not really pushing yourself. But if you've got a teacher that you're going to see once a week or once a fortnight or even once a month, they're going to hold you accountable, and that's really going to push you on, and they'll have different ways of thinking about stuff, and they might open up your mind to things you didn't even think you wanted to learn, and actually will find a really interesting and really make you a much better player. So that's something I would highly recommend, is starting to do lessons with an actual in-person teacher. That's not me touting for business. That I do the online harmonica school, so all of what I do is more online, and there's definitely an element of the in-person teaching, because I give people feedback on their playing, but it's not the same as sitting down with a teacher and having them really focus you. So that's kind of what I'm doing to push myself this year. And final thing that I wanted to just quickly chat to you about that I'm super excited about is the Edinburgh Harmonica Workshop will be returning this year. So we're going to be back in July, 19th to the 21st of July. And this year I'll be teaching alongside Ronnie Shellist, Lee Sankey, and Liam Ward. It's going to be really, really awesome, because those players are absolutely huge. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to record a little video about it and post a link in the description below for you to check out all the information about that workshop. But I can already tell you that we're over halfway to selling out. So if you do want to come, get on it quickly, because tickets are going really, really quickly. But yeah, so this is my first vlog of 2019. If you're interested in hearing a little bit more of these kind of videos on particular topics, they can be my gear, what I'm working on musically, then just write it in the comment section. Next week I'll be posting a backing track for you to work with, and I'll be doing some lick lessons after that. So let me know what you think of the new format, and I'm really, really excited about what we're going to do together in 2019. So if you've enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, then subscribe to the channel, because I put out new videos every single Wednesday, and I wouldn't want you to miss out on next week's. All right, see you soon. Happy harping.